Hi, welcome to Procrastinator's Hive. I'm Jonita and I hope you are doing well. Every year, towards the end of Valentine's Day, we often get to see tons of chocolate boxes, gift wrappers, and dried flower bouquets thrown in the trash. I don't know if all that gets recycled in the end. However, I'll show you a fabulous way to recycle the big chocolate bar packaging. Are you up for it? Then let's begin. I too collected a few during this time. Nope, I didn't eat a single one of these. I just saved trash. Only the ones I see have some sort of potential. So I'm making a sketchbook cover out of this. Cut the side which has the card paper overlapped and then open it all out. If it's not possible to open it this way, then just cut it. Simple. The book size is 4/4 in height and a little less than 3 inches in breadth. You can make it as big or small as you like. The best part of using chocolate cereal boxes is that it has these sides to create a sturdy spine for our journals. Make sure the measurements on both sides are the same. These are drawing sketching papers. I like to keep these around since my kids enjoy making handmade cards for gifting. This is A5 size. I'll leave a link to this in the description below. You can also use regular papers if you plan to make a diary or a notebook. Since my kids are a lot into drawing and coloring tiny things these days, so I thought of this idea. I folded the paper to get two leaves. I took about 5 sheets of the sketch paper and cut them into half to get 10 and then folded each of them. In this case, the number of pages will depend upon the thickness of the spine. My papers fit well in the cover. I just needed to trim the front side so it was a quarter less than the cover like the other two sides. Now align them together and keep them in place with the help of a masking tape so it's easy to glue all the leaves to each other. While you apply the glue, ensure that you firmly hold the folded sides so that the glue doesn't seep inside the leaves. I left it to dry overnight. However, 30 to 60 minutes is good enough. This is a regular paper that I'm using. Stick it on the side which is glued together. I decided to cover the book with some printed cardstock. I don't remember from which online store this was purchased, as I have had this for over 6 years now. You can choose not to cover, or you can use any colored craft paper, or scrap fabric also works fabulously well. Use whatever you have unless you are going to sell them. I measured half an inch extra on all four sides so to fold on the inside. This chain and charms is an optional thing, but gives the book a vintage touch. Place the booklet inside the cover and glue the first and the last pages to the cover. Leave the spine, don't glue that part. And with all the gluing being done and dried, our little sketchbook is ready. A few charms added to the chain to make it more special. I adjusted the chain to fit the book around by clipping off the excess. So, what do you think of this recycle project? Let me know your thoughts in the comment section below. You can make this book without the cardstock, paper, chain, or charms. The most important part is to reuse and reduce waste. I hope you give it a try. I'll try to add all the useful links for your reference. If you think this video added value to your time, then please do give a thumbs up. And if you are someone who enjoys art projects or upcycled art, also if you want to see how fabric bags are made, then consider subscribing to my channel. And don't forget to turn on the bell button to get notified on my new tutorial. Thanks for your time and your support. I hope you have a wonderful day.